the day of my baby shower. I'm starting early with my glam girl.
Hello.
We're getting my makeup done. I'm gonna wear my pink outfit. So many people are gonna come. We have decorations starting at 11. One breath at a time. We're doing it at our new studio here in Highland Park, Hot Shot Studio. You're gonna be able to see it super glammed up. Glow up? The glow up, because we've already painted the walls. And yeah, family, friends are coming from other states, from here. And I'm just so grateful we're here celebrating Baby Sky. We're welcoming you. We're excited for you, Baby Sky. We're celebrating your beginning and your love to come and choose us as your parents. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, let's get started. It's getting close. There's so many people here. Voltea, Lena. Mira, lo puedes voltear, Lena.
Okay.
Ahora sí, ahora sí. Oh, mira, la camarera está bonita. Tan, tan, tan.
Tan, tan,
Tan, tan,
tan,
tan. Ahora, amigos, ya tengo el makeup. Miren qué bonito se ve el makeup. So pretty. Girl, you're amazing. She's amazing.
¿Ya comiste algo?
Sí, ya comí. Starbucks. Oh my gosh, I need to find a way how I can hire her 24/7. Can I just like, but I know you do your ASMR, but I'm like, can you just like come be my glam girl every single day?
Yes.
Oh, that would be heaven. That would be heaven. Just have a glam girl every day. Never have to do my makeup again. Oh, that would be heaven.
I wish someone could do my
And I
makeup
know.
for me.
It feels so good. All right, things are getting almost set up, you guys. Ah, time is ticking. We got guests coming at 3. Ah. This is coming together. Come on, man, puppy.
$300 an hour for the party, yeah.
Yes, that's what I want to do. Yeah,
500.
300. I'm gonna start. 300 an hour for
No,
sure.
for you. Your party has to pay.
Oh no,
It's,
my
good.
party's
It's a
free.
corporate.
My
Not
party-
pay- not to pay the
No,
corporation.
my party. Bueno, it's a tax write-off. Everything I'm writing off. All this is write-off, Sophie. All of this. Look how good that looks. Did I do good, babe? Did I do good?
Yeah,
Yes.
I see it. Sometimes like I gotta see it to believe it.
And I'm the visionary.
Believe it.
But yes, thank you so much. And this is our new baby as well, you guys. We have officially bought the business, rented from my father. He's my landlord. He is a tough landlord.
Thankful to
That's her name,
Sky. Yeah, in case anybody didn't know, yeah, Sky. Sky's the name. So yeah, but yeah, it's been a long journey with G and I, decade and a half, you know. So it's something that we both wanted for a while. So you know, our dreams come true, our wishes come true. So we're just thankful and we're happy.
So grateful. Again, miracle that we even got pregnant naturally. I'm 41 and it has been a great, easy pregnancy, and who knows how tall this little girl will be. We are gonna start the games. Go! Alright, let's see who's gonna get it. Who's gonna get it? Who's watching? Who's watching? Make sure we're watching. Who's gonna get it first? Come on. Hey, hey, watch those fights. Oh, I think it's El baby shower fue tan lindo, amigas. No puedo creer que ya va a estar aquí el bebé. I can't believe the baby's gonna be here already. Let me show you guys my nursery. It's fully ready. Look at how cute it looks. Look at this. That's the crib. This is gonna be my rocking chair. This is her baby chair. Look at this. Oh. Ya viene, amigas, ya viene. It was the best baby shower I could have imagined, you guys. It was perfectly decorated. I did all the decorations. It was just such a beautiful day to bring all the family together. I can't believe this baby girl is almost here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I definitely had time to do my maternity shoot. Oh, the maternity pictures came out so pretty. If you haven't checked them out, they're on my Instagram. But here's a little teaser of the video. Be ready to cry. Vas a llorar.
Déjame tomarte de la mano, déjame mirarte a los ojos. Déjame a través de mi mirada darte todo mi esplendor. Déjame quedarme aquí, déjame besarte ahí, donde guardas tus secretos, los más oscuros y los más bellos. Te regalo mis piernas, recuesta tu cabeza en ellas. Te regalo
The
mis
pregnancy anxiety that I was getting though to make everything work before the baby came, setting up the baby shower, setting up the maternity shoot, setting up this nursery. Oh, I was so stressed. But now everything's ready. Everything happened so perfectly. And now we're just waiting for baby girl to come. So next video will probably be, I'm going to post a couple archive videos just to kind of post so I can take a little break and be with baby. But the next video that I shoot in real time, it's going to be me and baby girl Sky. So I'm so excited to share that next journey with you guys. Vamos a compartir el próximo recorrido, el próximo capítulo del libro, the next chapter of the book, you guys. But yeah, next video in real time is going to be me and baby Sky. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video when Gia officially becomes a mamacita, mamasota.